How to use the Eveline ovulation test. Each box contains ovulation test strips, a smart scanner, and an instruction manual. Using Eveline is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Set up the app, obtain a urine sample, and let your smartphone analyze the results. First, set up the app. Download the Eveline app through an app store or Google Play. Fill in your personal details to enable the Eveline Smart algorithm to accurately predict your prime fertile window. Register and enjoy the automated recording and personal reminder function. Second, obtain a urine sample. Remove the cap from the test strip and place the absorbent tip under your urine stream for 5 seconds, or dip the test strip in your collected urine sample for 15 seconds. Replace the cap. Lay the test strip on a flat surface and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Results after 10 minutes may not be accurate. Third, let your smartphone analyze your result. Open the Eveline app and press the button to start. Remove the protective cap. Attach the test strip to the smart scanner and position your smart scanner correctly as directed by the app. Please do not position the smart scanner below the dotted red line or outside the green window. Press Next and your result will be displayed within seconds. Eveline will display your fertility status as low, high, or peak. Instantly share your results with your partner and enjoy the moment. Eveline. Plan for the moment.